how to loop a video on Instagram story. Now, the first thing to do is to tap on your story and then click on camera. Now, the key thing here is to tap on this button right here, the boomerang, and then record a video. Now, the thing about boomerangs is that they are always on the loop. Whenever you do something or whenever you post it, they're always on the loop. So the downside of boomerang though is that they are limited in time and they cannot portray more than a few seconds of your time. And this boomerang right here, you can add music to it. You can also add some filter over it right here. You can add also stickers, or you can mention someone. You can also add text in various fonts. And then in Boomerang itself, you can also edit it into whatever you want it to. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.